How to download apps on older Samsung Smart TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download apps on older Samsung Smart TV. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Press the home button on your remote. Select the apps option and further select the search icon. Use the on-screen keyboard to type the name of the app you want and then select it. Further, choose the install button and the app will start downloading and install on your TV. To open it, press the home button and select the app that you just installed. So, this is how you can download apps on older Samsung Smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.